We read the full sentence here in question number 20. What's the subject? Embryos. What did the embryos do? Well, we need a verb, right? If I read the full sentence, it does not show me a verb, right? We need a verb. That's what's missing. Answer A. B, C, D are not verbs. They're all fragments. A verb needs to show tense. A verb needs to show tense. A verb needs to show tense. It's not how it sounds. It's not how it looks. It needs to show tense. Answer A. Question number 21. We read the sentence. Notice the shift in tense here, because now we're talking about the past, today. Well, what do we say? Today? Today. What tense is that? Yeah, we need to see that. It's in the present, right? Is considered. A is in the future, future. B is in the past. C is in the past. All of these tenses are incorrect. Number 22. Make sure you read the full text. I don't care if it has information you don't need. Stop being lazy. Just read. Like the College Board is giving you 1/6 of the information. I read the paragraph. Now, I want you to notice here, whenever is a dependent clause, just like which or when or where or who, right? It's a dependent clause. So we're not going to use a semicolon or a period. Another thing I want you to recognize and realize is the semicolon is the period. So according to College Board standards, therefore they cancel each other out or they negate one another. And another piece of information that comma whenever would be incorrect here because it is added and then it tells us when it's added, right? It's basically the object of the verb, right? It's a noun clause object of the verb. So you can't put a comma between the verb and the object. So answer D is the best answer. So it is added whenever time based on the planet's rotation lags a full 9/10. Just keep this in mind. So that's why answer A is unacceptable because it is added. What is added whenever time based lags? Answer B is the best answer. 23. Tense, TASM. TASM, right? Tense, agreement, simplicity. I'm reading through, it is unable, right? So we're talking about the frog, it's talking about the present tense. There's no shift in tense. A is past, B is past, C is past, D is in the present. My answer is D, it survives. Transition time. So transitions show the meaning or complete the meaning of the intended information. Here, if she moves to the United States, Albinzi at that same time moves to London. So the two actions happening concurrently, therefore we will say meanwhile. Nevertheless, is a positive negative relationship, which indicates a surprise. Secondly, well, is a second point, and in fact emphasizes. But again, like we said, these are two actions occurring simultaneously. Answer A.